Eggs are a breakfast staple, a go-to for many when starting their day. They're incredibly versatile, budget-friendly, and can be transformed into countless delicious meals. Packed with protein and easy to prepare, they've long been praised for their nutritional benefits and convenience. Whether scrambled, fried, or baked into a frittata, eggs are a quick and satisfying option. But as you age, your body changes. The way it processes nutrients, the efficiency of its systems, and its overall needs evolve. And so does the way it handles foods like eggs. What was once perfectly acceptable in your younger years might require a second thought as you enter your 40s and beyond. After 40, your metabolism slows, meaning your body burns calories at a slower rate. This can lead to weight gain and other health complications if dietary habits aren't adjusted, and your body becomes less efficient at managing cholesterol and blood sugar, making it crucial to be more mindful of your food choices to maintain optimal health. These changes don't mean you have to eliminate your favorite foods, but rather adapt how you consume them. The way you cook and eat eggs can make a big difference to your health. It's not just about the egg itself, but what you pair it with and how you prepare it. Frying eggs in butter or pairing them with bacon, sausage, or other processed meats can significantly impact your well-being. May have been fine in your 20s, when your body could bounce back more easily from less than ideal food choices. But now it can increase your risk for heart disease and diabetes, two serious conditions that become more prevalent with age. This isn't about cutting eggs out completely. It's about making smarter choices. It's about understanding how to prepare them in a way that minimizes potential risks and maximizes their nutritional benefits. We'll break down which egg habits to avoid and why they matter more as you get older, providing you with the knowledge to make informed decisions about your diet. By understanding how your body changes, you can enjoy eggs in a way that supports your health, ensuring they remain a delicious and nutritious part of your diet for years to come. Let's dive into the science and learn how to make eggs work for you, not against you. We'll explore the latest research and provide practical tips for incorporating eggs into a healthy lifestyle. What makes a plate of eggs risky after 40? What are the specific components that can contribute to health problems? Why does the way you cook them matter more now? How can different cooking methods alter the nutritional profile and impact your health? We'll answer these questions and give you a clear roadmap for healthier eating, empowering you to take control of your dietary choices and prioritize your well-being. By the end, you'll know exactly how to enjoy eggs without putting your health at risk, allowing you to savor this versatile food with confidence and peace of mind. Let's get started and learn how to eat for the body you have today. Your health is worth it. It's an investment in your future, and every small change can make a big difference. After 40, your metabolism slows, making it easier to gain weight even if your habits haven't changed. Your arteries may stiffen, and your body becomes less efficient at managing cholesterol. Hormonal changes, like menopause or lower testosterone, affect fat distribution and bone health. Foods high in cholesterol and saturated fat can have a bigger impact now. You might notice that heavy breakfasts leave you feeling sluggish or cause indigestion. Your body is sending new signals. Listen and adapt. Focus on nutrients that support bone health and manage inflammation. Smarter food choices now can help you thrive for decades to come. Understanding these changes is the first step to better health. Eggs contain cholesterol, but for most people, dietary cholesterol has a small effect on blood cholesterol. However, as you age, your body may become more sensitive, especially if you have high cholesterol or diabetes. The real danger is often what you eat with your eggs. Butter, bacon, and cheese add saturated fat, which raises LDL cholesterol. Saturated fat has a bigger impact on heart health than the cholesterol in eggs themselves. If you're over 40, pay attention to the whole meal, not just the egg. Combining eggs with high-fat sides creates a perfect storm for artery-clogging plaque. Make heart-smart choices by limiting saturated fat and being mindful of your overall meal. It's about the bigger picture, not just the egg. Frying eggs in butter or bacon grease loads your meal with saturated fat and calories. Pairing eggs with processed meats like bacon or sausage adds sodium, nitrates, and more unhealthy fat. Excess salt and cheese can quickly turn a simple egg dish into a health hazard. These habits raise your risk for high blood pressure, heart disease, and diabetes. Serving eggs with white toast and fried potatoes piles on refined carbs and more fat. This combination spikes blood sugar and increases inflammation. After 40, these eating patterns can seriously impact your health. It's time to rethink how you prepare and pair your eggs. You don't have to give up eggs. Eggs can still be a part of a healthy diet, even as you get older. They're a fantastic source of protein and essential nutrients. Just change how you cook them. It's all about making informed choices in the kitchen to minimize potential health risks. Poaching and boiling require no added fat and keep your meal heart healthy. These methods preserve the egg's natural goodness without introducing unhealthy elements. Hard-boiled eggs make a convenient protein-rich snack or salad topper. Prepare a batch at the start of the week for easy access to a nutritious option. If you love scrambled or fried eggs, use a light spray of olive or avocado oil instead of butter. These oils offer healthier fats and can help manage cholesterol levels. Skip the cream and use water or plant-based milk for creamy scrambled eggs. Almond, soy, or oat milk can provide a similar texture with fewer calories and less saturated fat. Watch your portions. For most healthy adults, 1 whole egg per day is safe. Moderation is key to enjoying eggs as part of a balanced diet. If you have high cholesterol or heart disease, limit yolks and use more egg whites. Egg whites are pure protein and contain no cholesterol, making them a great alternative. Add flavor with herbs and spices instead of salt and cheese. Experiment with different combinations to discover your favorite healthy flavor enhancers. Load your eggs with veggies like spinach, peppers, or tomatoes for extra fiber and nutrients. Vegetables boost the nutritional value of your egg dishes and contribute to overall well-being. These swaps make your eggs safer and more nutritious. By making these simple adjustments, you can continue to enjoy eggs without compromising your health. Small changes add up to big health benefits. Every conscious choice you make contributes to a healthier and happier you. Always check with your doctor for personalized advice. They can provide guidance tailored to your specific health needs and conditions. Enjoy eggs the smart way. Savor the flavor and reap the nutritional benefits while prioritizing your health. Don't just focus on the egg. Look at your whole plate. Pair eggs with sautéed greens like spinach or kale for fiber and vitamins. Swap white toast for whole grain bread and add avocado for healthy fats. Add fresh veggies or berries for antioxidants and color. This combination supports heart health and keeps you full longer. Make eggs just one part of a balanced, nutrient-rich meal. Eating this way helps offset any risks from the egg's cholesterol. Build your plate for long-term vitality. The way you cook your eggs, that seemingly simple morning ritual, is actually a small but powerful step toward better health and vitality, especially after 40. It's about making conscious decisions that add up over time. Simple swaps, like choosing to poach instead of fry, which reduces added fats, or loading up on nutrient-rich veggies instead of processed bacon, can make a surprisingly big difference to your overall well-being. These small changes can lead to significant improvements in energy levels and long-term health. Every healthy choice, no matter how small, is a valuable investment in your future health and happiness. It's truly never too late to start prioritizing your health. Your body has an amazing capacity to respond to positive changes at any age. This week, why not try a new, healthier egg recipe? Experiment with different spices and cooking methods, and notice how you feel afterward. Share this valuable knowledge with your friends and family. Help empower others to make better, more informed choices too. Remember, your journey to optimal health is built upon small, consistent habits that you integrate into your daily routine. Be patient with yourself, and remember to be kind and understanding throughout this process. Thank you for watching. Now go out there and make choices your future self will wholeheartedly thank you for. Your health truly is in your hands, so take control and nurture it.